In this video, I will show you how to table in Microsoft Excel freely. So guys, if you have table and you want to move, so hover cursor on this border and pick and move easily anywhere in your document and just drop it. Then drag and drop. Insert and select the data range for your table. Then just click on table and click on OK. Now drag and drop. You can make more changes and style. Just select here. You can add or remove this header row. Unselect or select. Also, you can add or remove this banded rows. So thanks for watching.